Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix Diskpart virtual disk service error. The service failed to initialize error. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open virtual disk service. Change startup type to manual, start the service, click apply, click OK. Restart system. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand services, click VDS, right click VDS, click permission. Select users, check full control, click apply, click OK. Close and restart system. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.